Volunteers came together to clean the Falmouth, Cornwall Regional, Noel Homes and Savannah Lamar hospitals. Senior Medical Officer for the Sav Lamar Hospital expressed thanks for the support.
It is very important that we need a manpower. As you see, each and every individual got affected with this hurricane in this area. So we are unable to get manpower even though we want it. But I've seen several volunteers coming within the system, but still it's not sufficient. We need extra power. I really greatly appreciate the team who are here. Now we are able to mobilize certain things, and even though we clean certain areas, we're looking for help. But when I see a big team coming today, I really appreciate this.
The hospital's CEO says the facility is also in urgent need of critical items.
Our most needful commodity right now is water. Listing them #1 water, because our 70,000 gallon reserve tank is completely finished and we have to be trucking water from yesterday. 10 truckloads of 3,000 per gallon at $50,000. You do the math, and we have to be going now. Second most urgent commodity is diesel fuel to fuel our generators and our vehicles as well to go in the field. As you know, the road becomes clearer, we have more cases coming in, so the influx of cases causes stress on the resources that we have. So water, fuel for the generator, as well as the other commodities.